Welcome to yoga. Today's gentle yoga stretch can be done entirely in bed to help prepare you for a better sleep. It's great to help you relieve tension, restless legs, or anything else you need to let go of so that you can have a great night's sleep. When you're ready, we'll begin in a simple seated position like this. We'll start with our neck, lowering your chin down towards your chest. Deepen your breath in and out through your nose. Let your head hang heavy. And allow your mind to settle on the sensation you feel within each stretch. Now, if it feels good, you can rock your head side to side gently. Just exploring movement and range of motion. Never pushing into or past pain or pinching. Accept your body for where it is today. And draw your chin back up to center. Shrug your shoulders up to your ears and down your back a couple of times. Big range of motion. And then for a seated forward fold, find some space where you can extend your legs out long in front of you. But since this is a very relaxing, deep stretch, take your feet a little bit wider than you normally would and bend your knees a little bit deeper than you normally would. Go ahead and walk your hips out from underneath you. Grab your hips and pull them out if that helps. Almost as if you were going into like a seated squat variation. Slowly walk yourself forward using your hands to support you and fold in between your legs a little deeper with each breath out. Can you release the weight of your head? Can you relax your jaw and your shoulders? And if you'd like to take it deeper, take another moment to just lengthen your spine and push your heels away from your body. Inhale a little bit more length out of your hips and exhale, fold a little bit deeper. For just a couple more deep breaths here. This kind of forward fold is very good for calming a racing mind. It's a great way to breathe your body back into its parasympathetic nervous system, the safe, quiet, rest and digest nervous system. So take one more big breath here. And when you're ready, slowly rise and come to lie down on your back at your own pace. your own terms. And once you're down on your back, just take your feet flat, knees bent, and allow your spine to soften into its natural curves. Notice how your deep and slow breath acts like an internal massage, relaxing your body from the inside out. Add a figure 4 by placing your right ankle to your left knee and either press your right knee open away from your body if that feels good for you, or take it a little deeper, threading your hands through, finding the figure 4 that serves you so you can release the tension in your right hip, glute, piriformis, and hamstring. This is tension that gets built up from a day of sitting. So breathe deeply and fully to let it all go. One more big breath in and out. Lower your left foot back down onto your bed if you lifted it up. Extend your right foot up towards the ceiling. Interlace your hands behind your right thigh and slowly begin to straighten and bend your right leg, getting into your right hamstring. If you're feeling flexible, you can walk your hands up towards your calf or your ankle, or even take a yogi toe hold. But even grabbing onto the back of your thigh and slowly just extending your heel should help you to release tension from your calf, hamstring, and drain the fluid from your leg, like a half legs up the wall. Next time your leg is straight or straighter, keep it there and just roll out your ankle. And switch direction. And lower your right foot down and take a figure 4 with your left ankle to your right knee, left knee pressing away, or thread your hands through, finding a similar depth that you took on the other side. It's natural for your mind to wander, for your mind to process the day that you just had. If at any point you find that your mind has gone too far down some train of thought, Remember that you can always bring it back by becoming more aware of your breath and the sensation you feel within this stretch. And lower your right foot down. Extend your left heel up to the ceiling, interlacing your hands underneath your left thigh. Slowly bend and straighten your left leg, allowing breath and sensation to anchor you into this present and relaxed moment. Next time your left leg is straight, keep it there and roll out your ankle. And switch direction. And place your left foot down and separate your feet wider than your hips. Option to reach your arms up like cactus arms or just thread them underneath your pillows, and just windshield wiper your knees down to the left. Hold, relax into place, and breathe. And then come back to center and switch sides for just a couple more deep, slow breaths. Come back to center and extend your legs long down on your bed. Cover yourself with your blanket if that's most comfortable for you. Relax your arms down by your sides, with your eyes gently closed. Soften your body. And feel your arms and legs completely supported by the bed beneath you. And one last time, take a scan of your body and see where else you can let go. Have a deep, restful sleep. Namaste.